Hello everyone, our today's video will be on very famous festival called Ombobuchi Mela, which will held in Kamakhya temple in Guwahati. So let's get started. There are some special places of Shakti Sadhana in India, which are known as Shakti Peeth. According to mythology, Bhagavati Sati destroyed the Yagya by abandoning her body in the fire of Yagya because of not inviting Shankar, means Mahadev, to the Yagya of Daksha Prajapati. And because of his insult, Lord Shiva, who is always angry, kept the body of Sati on his shoulder and started traveling on the earth while performing the Tandav dance. At the same time, on the request of the gods, Lord Vishnu cut off the different parts of Sati one by one with his chakra, Sudarshan chakra. These parts of the goddess fell at 51 places, which are 51 Siddha Shakti Peeths. Kamakhya temple is one of the most famous Shakti Peeths. There are many mysteries related to Kamakhya temple, and in this video I will going to share all of this. There is no idol of goddess in Shakti Peeth Kamakhya. This temple is built on a hill in Guwahati in the state of Assam. This temple is slightly different from other Shakti Peeths because this place is also very famous for Tantra Sadhana. There is no idol of the goddess in the temple. Here the yoni part of Mother Sati had fallen. So here only the yoni part of the goddess is worshipped, which is seated in the form of a rock. It is believed that those who worship and touch this rock will get the company of Mother Bhagavati with divine grace and salvation. In this Shakti Peeth, Mother Goddess is enshrined with 64 yoginis and 10 Mahavidyas. Bhuvaneshwari, Bagala, Chinnamastika, Kali, Tara, Matangini, Kamala, Saraswati, Dhumavati and Bhairavi are seated at the same place. Although all Shakti Peeths have their own importance, Kamakhya Shakti Peeth is considered to be the best among all others. According to Kalika Purana, at this place Kamdeva was consumed by Shiva's Trinetra and got the boon of attaining his former form. Here the fruit of desire is attained. Kamakhya Devi's menstruation. It is said that the mother's vagina had fallen at this place, due to which the mother here menstruates for 3 days every year. During this, the temple is closed. After 3 days, the temple opened with great enthusiasm. Wet cloth is given in the form of prasad. It is said that white cloths are spread around the Garbhagriha before the goddess gets menstruated. Later this cloth is distributed among the devotees as prasad, which is called Ombobuchi cloths. It is believed that by wearing this garment and worshipping, all the wishes of the devotee are fulfilled. At this time, the water of the Brahmaputra river turns red for 3 days. History of the Mandir. There is a legend about Kamakhya that one day the arrogant demon Narakasur was sitting with a scorn to get Mother Bhagavati Kamakhya as his wife. Kamakhya Mahamaya, considering the death of Narakasur near, told him that if you build temple on the 4 sides of the Nil mountain and a rest house in this night, then I will become your wife according to your wish, and if you don't, your death is certain. The proud Asura completed all the 4 steps of the paths before dawn and was just about to build the rest house when a chicken of Mahamaya informed about the end of the night, due to which Narakasur got angry and chased the chicken and killed him by going to the other end of the Brahmaputra. It is said about the temple that due to the atrocities of Narakasura, Kamakhya's vision started getting disturbed. Enraged by this, Maharshi Vaishishta cursed this place, due to which Kamakhya Peeth vanished. Bishwa Singh of Coach Bihar built a new temple. Later on, Naranarayan, son of Bishwa Singh, got the temple rebuilt in 1565 AD by his youngest brother Shukla Devaraj. Ombobuchi Puja Vidhi. This puja is held in the Bengali month of Ashar. There are some puja vidhis to follow this Ambubachi puja, like if widows perform this puja at this time, they have to take bath and perform daily puja, take only cold and cooked foods. It is said that cook the food before the puja started and have it for 3 days. Second, you can't do housewarming, wedding like special pujas at this time. Only one can do the regular pujas and Guru puja. You can't chant Devi mantras during these 3 days, but you can worship Shiv lingas and other devas at this same time. Women should not apply oil, soap and shampoo during this time. If the puja is over, apply soap after 3 days. At this time, do not plant tree or dig the soil because for this Mother Earth will get hurt. It is very good to have milk and mango at this time. It will remove the fear of snake bites. The doors of many temples are closed in this period. After 3 days, wash and clean the house and follow regular routine. So we can conclude that India is full of mysteries and some are beyond science. So I hope you all like the video, the history of the mysterious Shakti Peeth. If you can, please visit this place and definitely you will get the Ashirvad of Ma Kamakhya. That's for all today. To watch such more videos, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Have a good day. Om Shanti.